90 degrees outside, 6 o'clock. Temperatures are still pretty warm. The humidity is back in the atmosphere, thanks to the southeasterly winds coming in 13 miles per hour, mid 90s inland as high as 97 in Hebronville, upper 80s closer to the coast. And we do have heat indices up around 105 in parts of the viewing area. We're going to have similar heat index values this weekend. It will be a hot one. Southeasterly winds coming in 10 to 15 miles per hour. It's fairly clear outside. We do have a few cumulus clouds. There was a little shower down south of Hebronville, but all is clear with respect to the radar and all of Texas pretty much, with the exception of a few very sparse showers out there. Looking like we're going to be pretty quiet here tonight. Remnants of Nicholas still bringing a lot of rain to the southeastern part of the country. We're going to be looking to the northwest for our next weather maker. It's a big piece of energy coming into the Pacific Northwest, and this energy, depending on how it moves into the U.S., will dictate how strong or weak our cold front's going to be on Wednesday of next week. So as long as this continues to move toward the Midwestern states, we're going to see this front move through. Some of the things that I watch for on the energy, sometimes it will become cut off out west and not get here at all. Sometimes they'll track farther to the north, making the front really weak. But given this placement, both the GFS and the European models are showing a frontal boundary, a cold front passing through here on Wednesday. The GFS is the weaker and slower of the two models, still keeping us up near 90 degrees on Wednesday afternoon. Check the European model forecast out. A bit quicker and a little stronger, keeping temperatures at 4 o'clock next Wednesday in the mid to low 80s. So there's some variance between the two models. We'll get better data over the weekend as higher resolution modeling becomes available. Temperatures on the forecast do look like they'll drop down into at least the middle and upper 80s by Wednesday, Thursday, Friday of next week. Overnight lows in the mid to upper 60s. So yes, a cold front. Temperatures, though, not going to be cold. The fronts are called cold, warm, stationary, occluded. These are the type of weather fronts. There's no such thing as a cool front. Just going to put the lid on that right now. It's either cold or warm. Same way we don't have hot fronts, right? We don't say, oh, there's a hot front coming in. It's always warm front. Same thing. When you get the cold air replacing warmer air at the surface, it's a cold front, even though it's still not going to be all that cold outside. The tropics are active, but not in terms of named systems. We do have two tropical waves with high probability to develop, but these are not going to be threats to the Gulf of Mexico. Invest 95 is going to track north of the Caribbean and bend to the north. I don't see that being problematic for interest in Texas. We're going to be warm and humid this evening. It'll be kind of stuffy tomorrow morning, mid to upper 70s with calm winds. We'll top out tomorrow afternoon in the mid 90s with a few sparse showers in the area. Same thing on Sunday, just an isolated shower, but the coverage will not be impressive on the rain chances through the weekend or early next week. The rain does go up, the chance for it on Wednesday. That chance, though, will hinge on the timing of our cold front. Tonight, mid 70s under mainly clear skies and calm winds, plenty of humidity out there. Tomorrow, mid 90s, a few passing clouds, a stray shower possible, but in most, if not all locations, going to stay on the dry side. If you're heading out to the beach, it'll be a good day out there. 88 on the air temperature. Rip current risk will be low. 1 to 2 foot waves on the near shore Gulf waters, and be sure to put that sunscreen on if you're spending time outside tomorrow. Mid 90s through Tuesday. There's our cold front Wednesday, which also happens to be the first day of fall. It'll put temperatures in the mid to upper 80s as of today on that forecast. Overnight lows. It's been a while since we've been in the mid to upper 60s, but that's where we're forecast to be next Thursday and Friday morning. Leslie, Mike.
All right. Thank you, Alan.